Okay, so Hare Krishna, welcome everyone. Thank you all for joining. तो हम शुरू करते हैं फिर इंट्रोडक्शन से। मंगलाचरण। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति शुभदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवंश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितं च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। मुखं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपादमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदिनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्येश्वरं हरि ओं तत्सत्। श्री श्री गंधर्विका गिरिधारी श्रीमन महाप्रभु की जय। लक्ष्मी नरसिम्हा भगवान की जय। श्री भक्तवत्सल बालाजी की जय। जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। निताई गौर ब्रह्मानंदे हरि हरि। सभी भक्तों का स्वागत है आज के भगवत गीता के रीडिंग सेशन में। All devotees are invited. So we have to start with 3.26 Mataji, right? Kirtana
Yes,
Mataji?
Prabhu.
Yeah. So can you all switch on your cameras, and also Mataji, can you switch on, share the screen for 3.26? Yeah. इधर प्रभु मेट्रो में किंगेरी से आना जाना शुरू हो गया। चलो, गुड। लाइफ इन मेट्रो। चलो, गुड गुड दैट नाउ यू आर एबल टू जॉइन क्लास, क्योंकि पहले बाइक में मुश्किल होता था। समथिंग गुड हैपेंड। ओके, थैंक यू।
Is the screen visible, Prabhu?
Yes, perfectly. Others can see clearly the screen. Font is clear. सबको दिखाई दे रहा है सही से?
Yeah, yes, Prabhu.
Okay, thank you. So reading today from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 3, text number 26, तीसरा अध्याय 26 नंबर श्लोका भगवद गीता से। So kindly repeat कीजिए मेरे साथ। न बुद्धि भेदम जनयेद।
Na
अनम्यूट करके रिपीट
buddham
कीजिए।
janayed.
न बुद्धि भेदम जनयेद
न
बुद्धिभेदं
बुद्धिभेदं
जनयेत्
जनयेत्
अज्ञानं कर्म संगिनाम्।
अज्ञानं
अज्ञानं
कर्मसङ्गिनाम्
कर्मसङ्गिनाम्
अज्ञानं कर्म संगिनाम्।
अज्ञानं
अज्ञानं
कर्मसङ्गिनाम्
कर्मसङ्गिनाम्
जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि।
योषयेत्
योषयेत्
सर्वकर्माणि
सर्वकर्माणि
जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि
योषयेत्
योषयेत्
सर्वकर्माणि
सर्वकर्माणि
विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्।
विद्वान्
विद्वान्
युक्तः
युक्तान्
समाचरन्
समकरणम्
विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्
विद्वान्
विद्वान्
युक्तः
युक्तः
समाचरन्
समकरन्
थैंक यू वर्ड मीनिंग में जाएंगे न मीन्स नॉट बुद्धि भेदम disruption of intelligence janayet he should cause agyanam of the foolish karma sanginam who are attached to fruitive work joshayet he should dovetail sarva all karmani work vidwan a learned person yuktaha engaged समाचरण practicing तो ट्रांसलेशन मेरे साथ रिपीट कीजिए सब लोग so as not to disrupt
so as not to disrupt
the minds of ignorant men
the
the
minds of
minds of
ignorant men
ignorant men
attached to the fruitive results of prescribed duties.
attached
attached to the fruitive
to the
results of
fruitive results
prescribed
of
duties.
prescribed duties.
A learned person should not induce them to stop work.
A
A
learned
learned
person
person
should not
should not
induce them
induce
to
them
stop
to
work.
stop work,
Rather, by working in the spirit of devotion,
Rather by
rather by
walking in
By
working in the
working in
spirit
the
of
devotion,
devotion.
he should engage them in all sorts of activities
he should
We
we
should
should
engage
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 them in
in
all
all
sorts of
sorts of
activities
activities
for the gradual development of Krishna consciousness.
for the
the
gradual
gradual
development of
development of
Krishna
Krishna
consciousness.
consciousness.
Thank you all. Purport written by His Divine Grace ऐसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय कोई डिवोटी जो वॉलंटियर करना चाहेंगे एनीवन वुड लाइक टू
Hare Krishna, oh, can I?
रंजन प्रभु या प्लीज
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Tanatpanam Prabhu. Vedyascha sarvarai
वेदैश्च
ama
सर्वैर अहम एव
sarve
विद्या
eva vidyaha. That is the end of all Vedic rituals. All rituals, all performance of sacrifices, and everything that is put into the Vedas, including all directions for material activities, are meant for understanding Krishna, who is the ultimate goal of life. But because the conditioned soul do not know anything beyond sense gratification, they study the Vedas to that end. But through fruitive activities and sense gratification regard, regulated by the Vedic rituals, one is gradually elevated to Krishna consciousness. Therefore, a realized soul in Krishna consciousness should not disturb others in their activities or understanding, but he should act by showing how the result of all work can be dedicated to the service of Krishna. The learned Krishna conscious person may act in such a way that the ignorant person working for sense gratification may learn how to act and how to behave. Although the ignorant man is not to be disturbed in his activities, a slightly developed Krishna conscious person may directly be engaged in the service of the Lord without waiting for other Vedic formulas. For the fortunate man, there is no need to follow the Vedic rituals, but by the direct Krishna consciousness, one can have all the results one would otherwise derive from the following one's prescribed duties. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
धन्यवाद प्रभु थैंक यू माता जी you can share this link in the Zoom chat 3.26 so all of you go quickly there are very much two key important points that I want to highlight and discuss here so I want everyone to go through this and share your maybe connected realization to this or understanding from this topic quickly in the chat box. Yes, Prabhu, please.
So Krishna is talking about fruity workers who are very much interested in results. So someone if wants to become a businessman, he wants to earn some money and do some sense gratification. He says not to disturb them. In fact, he says engage them in the spirit of devotion. So he says do not give them bhakti directly. Just like Prabhupada says that if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an engineer, if you want to become businessman or whatever, but you become a Krishna conscious engineer, you become a
Exactly.
Krishna conscious doctor. So that is the meaning here, and we should not directly engage them in pure devotional service.
Very nice. Very nice. Very close to the point that is the crux of the topic. Very nice. Thank you. So we should not disturb them, but instead ask them to or guide them to be in their profession and become a Krishna conscious person along with that. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you, Varatagraja Prabhu. Yeah. Okay, already see some messages in the group. Ashwin Prabhu has mentioned Krishna conscious person, so teach non-Krishna conscious person by setting an example of how to work and dedicate everything to Krishna in day-to-day activities. Very nice. Balasaranya Mataji. Devotees should not abruptly disturb or criticize people who are still attached to material duties and results. Instead, guide them gradually by your own example and connect their activities to Krishna. Very to the point. Very nice, Mataji. Ishana Prabhu, someone is too attached, then instead of heavily criticizing them, pushing them away from Krishna, we have to gradually help them to come to Krishna, encourage them on their endeavors. See, very nice points you all have added. Thank you, Prabhu. Ranjan Prabhu has added all sacrifices in the Vedas to remain for understanding Krishna. And with the ultimate goal of life, study of Vedas through productive gradually elevated to Krishna consciousness. Yeah, the goal of Vedas, what is to be achieved is finally Krishna consciousness. No one understands. Thank you, Prabhu. Chaitanya Prabhu has added, we should not force people to change suddenly. We have to guide them patiently. For example, yes. Very nice. Kirtana, Vedas prescribes many methods, but ultimate goal of Veda is to reach a relevant ourselves to KC platform can be done only when those activities are relevant and centered around Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Vani Mataji achieves the benefits of spiritual guidance should be given to ignorant people in a way that helps them to progress, not become confused. This is a very nice point. Devanand, don't criticize or disturb who are attached to mental activities. Know how we can achieve all to be in Krishna consciousness also. Yeah. Thank you all. I think all have added similar points on the lines that the sloka was sharing. Can you share the sloka, Mataji, again? एक बार फिर से आप बताएंगे फिर हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे. Only the translation part and the Sanskrit part. Yeah. The sloka itself and yeah. It's the top part. So as all of you, little up the sloka also. Yes. So na buddhi bhedam. तो द डिसरप्शन ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस लिखा है ना यहाँ पे. हमें उन लोगों के ज्ञान को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए. एवरीवन इज परफॉर्मिंग एक्टिविटीज विद सम नॉलेज. सब लोग अपना अपना बुद्धि लगा के कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि भारत प्रभु ने बताया, कोई इंजीनियर है, कोई डॉक्टर है, कोई लॉयर है, कोई म्यूजिशियन है, कोई हाउसवाइफ है, कोई बिजनेसमैन, कोई कंसल्टेंट. अपने अपने स्किल्स के हिसाब से वो लोग सोसाइटी में अपना काम कर रहे हैं. Everyone is working in the society based on their skill set, based on what they can do the best. We or the Krishna conscious people, the devotees, भक्त जो हैं, उनको काफी केयरफुल रहना चाहिए, काफी सेंसिटिव. This is also kind of a Vaishnava Sadachar कि how to deal with people. ये जो श्लोका है एक दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम वैष्णव सदाचार कि हमें कैसे कैसे सबके साथ हमारा व्यवहार होना चाहिए। और यहाँ पे लिखा है कि हमारा व्यवहार कैसा होना चाहिए, जैसे कि उनके बुद्धि को हम ये डिस्टर्ब ना करें, उनके पर्पस को डिस्टर्ब ना करें, उनको गोल जो उन्होंने बनाया है उसको डिस्टर्ब ना करें। वी शुड नॉट डिस्टर्ब देयर गोल एंड पर्पस ऑफ वर्किंग इन द सोसाइटी टू गेट समथिंग। उनका कुछ पाने का पोजीशन पाने का या कुछ डिजायर्स हैं उनके, दे हैव सम डिजायर्स एंड दे वांट टू फुलफिल दैट। A devotee should be very careful not to disturb that. And Krishna is saying this, that while we are preaching, we should be careful about this. Why? Why he is saying this? And about whom? Ajnanam, foolish. वो बता रहे हैं कि वो मूर्ख है। एक तरफ कह रहे हैं कि उनके इंटेलिजेंस को हमें डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए, यानी कि वो इंटेलिजेंट है। See, if there is no intelligence, we cannot disturb the intelligence. So there is some intelligence, and the other time he is saying that they are foolish. So they are having material intelligence and no spiritual intelligence. So that is why foolish. So दोनों वर्ड भगवान एक ही साथ यूज कर रहे हैं। बुद्धि वेदम, बुद्धि भी कह रहे हैं ऊपर फर्स्ट लाइन में, सेकंड लाइन में कह रहे हैं कि अज्ञान। और स्पेसिफिकली लोग डिवोटीज कंफ्यूज ना हो जाए कि फिर किन के बारे में बात हो रही है। फिर लिखे हैं कर्म संगी नाम, अपने कामों से अटैच्ड है, अपने काम से, whatever they are doing, whatever work they are doing, they are attached to that. Whatever profession they are doing, they are attached to that. They love that. उनको उनके कर्म से आप हटा नहीं सकते। तो उन लोगों को स्पेसिफिकली आप डिस्टर्ब ना करो, उनके मटेरियल इंटेलिजेंस को भी डिस्टर्ब ना करो। और कह रहे हैं कि जोशायत, ये एक अच्छा वर्ड है, आप लोग सीख सकते हैं। जोशायत कह रहे हैं यानी कि ही शुड डोवटेल, उनको आप सिखाओ अपने एग्जाम्पल से, ना कि उनको बताओ और वो करेंगे। नो, डोंट टेल देम एनीथिंग, यू जस्ट बी विद देम बाय योर ओन एग्जाम्पल। सो जोशायत इज सो सर्व कर्माणि, सारे काम, वट एवर वर्क यू आर डूइंग, हाउ you are yuktah samacharam, engaged in practicing Krishna consciousness. Samacharam. So by your own Vaishnava etiquettes, by your own following of offering everything to the Lord, by your own practice of Krishna consciousness, teach them. यानी कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, प्रीचिंग कैसे हो रहा है? दिस इज ए इनडायरेक्ट प्रीचिंग। यू सी, डायरेक्ट प्रीचिंग मीन्स पता है क्या होता है? मतलब यू कैन स्टॉप शेयरिंग। डायरेक्ट प्रीचिंग मीन्स यू, आपने बता दिया कि ये करो ये करो ये करो ये करो ये करो, फिर कुछ कुछ लोग करेंगे, कुछ लोग नहीं करेंगे। सम पीपल विल डू, सम विल नॉट डू। दैट इज डायरेक्ट प्रीचिंग। Indirect preaching actually is very much effective. Indirect preaching leads to direct preaching because words speak more than, sorry, actions speak more than words. जैसे ना कि हमारे जो एक्शंस हैं वो ज्यादा बात करते हैं देन हम जो कहते हैं। तो आप अब जब अपने एग्जाम्पल से प्रीच करते हो तब जाके वो ज्यादा समझते हैं चीजों को। आप उनको डिस्टर्ब ना करो बोल के कुछ कि ये करो ये ना करो, ये गलत है, ये पाप है, आप पाप की राह पे चल रहे हो, यू आर वर्किंग ऑन ए difficult path, it will lead to hell, you will go to hell, your life is hellish in future, don't do that. No, by your own example, teach them, preach them. It is to a family, it is to children, it is to, anyone in the society, strangers, friends, everyone. People are more attracted to what you do, not attracted to what you speak. They will be attracted to what you speak only when they are attracted to what you do. People will be automatically attracted to what you speak when they are attracted to what you do. Why do you think Srila Prabhupada was so successful? Srila Prabhupada, just an old man from with a broken Bengali accent, he was speaking English. And he was such an old man with a different kind of wearing style and tilak and all these things with a stick in hand. So how was he so much effective? Because they were attracted to what he was doing, and then they were attracted to what he was speaking. They were finding no difference, and that is what is called an acharya. Samacharan, the word is used here. Achar, whatever one speaks, and they do the same thing. They are called acharyas. They lead by what they speak. Okay, today's topic is not that. Today's topic is what? We should not disturb others. That means what? प्रभुपाद जी काफी टाइम कहते हैं कि बहुत सारे लोग हमारे मंदिरों में आते हैं और सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट है. एक डिवोटी उतना चालाक होना चाहिए कि सबके टैलेंट को कृष्ण के सर्विस में कैसे लगाएं उसको पता होना चाहिए. Many people come to our temples. They have darshan, do some seva, go back. A devotee should be very much smart enough to identify what are the talents of these people and how I can engage these talents in Krishna consciousness. That means what? Not everybody will do kirtan. Not everybody will do preaching. Not everybody will become a leader. Not everybody is a good cook. Not everybody is a good manager. Not everybody is a good obedient student. Not everyone is willing to read books or sit in the class. But yes, all of them would have some other talent. सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट होगा, कुछ ना कुछ स्किल होगा जिसमें वो अच्छे हैं. तो हमें क्या करना है? उस अच्छे गुण को भगवान की सेवा में लगाना चाहिए. We have to identify that good quality, and a devotee or a senior devotee, a mature devotee has to utilize that quality in that person in the service of the Lord. Then that person will come to Krishna consciousness also. So you are not disturbing the mind. You say you do as it is. Whatever you are doing, you do it. But I see that you like this thing. So maybe you can do something for the Lord here. Like the example of the George Harrison. At that point of time, he was a very great famous singer. They didn't ask him to follow for regularity principles or chant and all. They just asked him to make an album on the Lord, including Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and that he did because he was a singer. He's a topmost singer. Somehow through context, he also got attracted to the tune, and then he made, and that went high on the list. It was all over newspapers, all recorders, all radio channels, everywhere. He was so famous. That song became so famous. He was famous, of course. Now this Mahamantra became famous. That was in the news. How did it happen? Because whatever talent he had was utilized in the service of the Lord. And he was happy. He was pleased. He wanted to do more. He met the Prabhupada. And he then continued to meet. He met second time. He met third time. He met fourth time. He stayed in the ashram. So Prabhupada was so happy. Prabhupada never said that, okay, I will make him my disciple. No. How much ever he is able to do, and he is still not disturbed, let him do it. Prabhupada had never a plan that he will make him fully Krishna conscious. That will eventually happen, maybe in this life or next life or whatever. तो हम भी जब देखते हैं ना डिवोटीज हमारे साथ आते हैं, उनका मन है भक्ति करने का, वो कितना भी करते हैं ना, हमें उस टैलेंट को भगवान की सेवा में लगाना चाहिए और हमें वेट करना चाहिए. हमें पेशेंट रहना चाहिए. वी शुड बी वेरी मच पेशेंट, एंड बट स्टिल वी हैव टू यूज देयर टैलेंट इन कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस. देन उनका रुचि आएगा उसमें. If someone is a good cook and we are utilizing them for kirtan, and we want them to become a good kirtaniya because I am a good kirtaniya and I love kirtan, so that person who is under me should also love kirtan. That is not going to happen. That person has inclination to cook, so then you can do kirtan, he can do prasadam, you can invite people, and then both are done. So utilize whatever is there. That is called also Daivi Varnashrama. It has a connection to that. What is Varnashrama, Devi Varnashrama? That whatever Varna is anyone, someone is liking this, someone can be a Shudra, someone can be Vaishya, someone can be Brahmana, someone can be Kshatriya by nature. That means again the skills. उनका स्किल अलग है, उनका टैलेंट अलग है. आप उनके टैलेंट के हिसाब से, स्किल के हिसाब से उनको सेवा दो, उनको एंगेज करो, वो कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस में आएंगे. और आप अपने एग्जाम्पल से दिखाओ उनको कैसे करते हैं. आप अपना स्किल दिखाओ कि मेरा ये स्किल है और मैं इसको भगवान की सेवा में लगा रहा हूँ, तो आपका स्किल ये है, आप भी उसको भगवान की सेवा में लगा सकते हो. दैट इज द राइट वे ऑफ बीइंग सेंसिटिव टू एवरीवन, and he is not disturbed. That person will never be disturbed. How, when he will be disturbed? If you ask a Brahmana to kill someone, he will be disturbed. If you ask a Kshatriya to teach someone, he will be disturbed. If you ask a Sudra to guide everyone, he will be disturbed. If you ask a Kshatriya to do business, he will be disturbed. So disturbance comes when their skill set is changed. So we should not change anyone's skill set, talent. We should identify the talent and utilize that in the service of the Lord. Sometimes we do mistake, even I do, others do, that we think that this person also should become a preacher, this person also should become a kirtaniya. That is a wrong thing that we will do with that person, and that soul will never turn towards Krishna consciousness because he is now disturbed. So that is one thing. And Srila Prabhupada very finely knew how to engage everyone in the service of the Lord. You will see many paintings, done. Many paintings in Back to Godhead magazines, in the books of Srimad Bhagavatam, in the leaflets of, there are pages in Bhagavad Gita you would have seen. Those paintings are specifically guided by Prabhupada to devotees who only did painting, nothing else. Because they loved. There were set of devotees who only did kirtan because they were musicians before. They loved that. Prabhupada engaged some of them only in preaching, some of them only in deity worships. He gave personal instructions to Panchagrani Prabhu and who is the other one, Brother Prabhu? Panchangri Prabhu and Jananivas Prabhu. Yeah, sorry. So they are two brothers. So they were guided that you become deity department heads. So based on their skill, we should engage them. Prabhupada is very good at it. And we also should do the same thing. Now to understand it better, I will tell one example of Arjuna. Arjuna, what he was trying to do, he said, I will renounce everything and I'll become a yogi. I'll not fight. So when he said that, in the previous lokas, before 3.26, whatever we're discussing until now, we understood a point, that we should set by our own example and whatever leaders do, others will follow. Yes or no? So we should set a good example. We cannot set a bad example. Now, Arjuna argued that by accepting renounce order, I am setting a good example in the society. Because I am not renouncing because of frustration, because I am a coward. No. I am doing this because of compassion towards my guru, towards my great grandfather, and my cousins and everyone. So this is an act of compassion. This is not an act of cowardice. This is not an act of frustration. This you understand. Very nice point. How people bring everything, they think it is Krishna consciousness, but it is not actually. So he said it is a higher act. So if I am renouncing, it will set a good example in the society. So what you are saying, I will be doing the same thing. So people will take up because this is a good example. And this is the highest thing that anyone can do. Act of renouncement. सब कुछ छोड़ के मैं योगी बन जाऊंगा, ये तो सबसे बड़ा काम है, सबसे अच्छा काम है शास्त्रों के हिसाब से. और मैं डर के तो थोड़ी ना जा रहा हूँ. मैं किस लिए जा रहा हूँ? मैं आउट ऑफ मर्सी, मैं दया की भावना से जा रहा हूँ और हाईएस्ट चीज करूंगा. तो ये अच्छा एग्जाम्पल सेट होगा सोसाइटी में. सो दैट ही सेड Krishna said, by doing this, others people mind will be disturbed. आप अगर ऐसा करोगे, आप लीडर हो, आप अगर ऐसा करोगे, बाकी लोग डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि बाकी लोगों को अपना घर नहीं छोड़ना है. Rest of the people do not want to leave their homes. Now they will be confused. By staying back, if I'm doing correct, or I should leave my home. They cannot leave their home, and they cannot follow Arjuna, who is a leader. So they are confused. They are disturbed. तो एक लीडर को हमेशा सोचना है कि जो मैंने कर दिया, शायद हाँ अर्जुन कैन डू दैट, बट अदर्स कैन डू दैट, नो. So then they will be disturbed. Then they will be confused. Then what is the point of such example, setting such example in the society? Instead, he's saying you fight. You Kshatriya, you fight for your dharma. They will understand. They have to fight. They have to protect their prescribed duties. So you cannot say that, okay, I'm doing the highest thing of renunciation. You do it because I am saying it. You do it because I said you to do it. So that is devotional service. आप इसलिए करो क्योंकि मैंने कहा आपको करने के लिए. आप तो मना कर रहे थे. आपको तो इच्छा है ही नहीं किसी को मारने की. आपको इच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे कहने पे आप कर रहे हो. You don't have interest, but because I am saying so, you're doing it. That is called devotional service. That you are not getting anything in benefit, but you are doing it for Krishna. You don't want to do it maybe sometimes. आप करने का आपको मन नहीं है, but you are doing it because Krishna will be pleased. Arjuna, do you think he was happy doing it? No, he was saying, I will be unhappy by doing it. But I have to do because you are asking me to do it. You are the Lord. So definitely, you know what is the best for me. More than I know, I can think of myself. So by doing that, I will set an example in society. What example he will set? That I followed Krishna. I followed whatever Krishna said. Don't ask me why did I fight. I followed what Krishna said. So tomorrow, you all people who want me to follow, you follow Krishna. So that is the example. Krishna is saying, Arjuna, you set it. Don't just go by your intelligence that I will renounce. Don't use that material intelligence. Use my intelligence. Use Krishna's intelligence to uplift yourself. Don't use your intelligence. Because we are fool, our intelligence is lost by Maya, taken by Maya Parata Jnana. So actually we cannot use our intelligence. Our intelligence is in using Krishna's intelligence. Okay, so our intelligence, हमारे बुद्धि इसी में है कि हम भगवान की बुद्धि को प्रयोग करें. तो भगवान की बुद्धि यही है कि मेरा बात मानो. तो उससे जो एग्जाम्पल सेट हो रहा है अर्जुन का, उसको लोग फॉलो कर पाएंगे. दैट इज इजी. लोगों को आप बोलोगे घर छोड़ के योगी बन जाओ, वो नहीं बन पाएंगे. लेकिन आप लोगों को बोलो भगवत गीता में जो कहा गया है, भगवान ने कहा है वो फॉलो करो, वो फॉलो करेंगे. दैट विल बी इजी फॉर देम बिकॉज दैट विल बी नॉट लिविंग देयर प्रोफेशन एज वॉट एवर दे आर एंड स्टिल प्रैक्टिसिंग कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस. आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि प्रभुपाद जी का ये जो मूवमेंट है, ये गौड़िय वैष्णविज्म का मूवमेंट है, इतना फेमस क्यों हो रहा है? इतने लोग इसको क्यों एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं? हैव यू एवर थॉट ऑफ दिस? क्यों बाकी चीजों को लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे डिवोटीज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. और डिवोटीज आर इंक्रीजिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू डिस्टर्ब देम. We are saying you do whatever you are doing, add Krishna to your life, make it Krishna conscious, and they are finding it so practical, including all of us. कि हाँ मैं जॉब भी कर सकता हूँ और मैं कृष्णा कॉन्शियस प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ, मैं बिजनेस भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं शादी भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं पेरेंट्स का ख्याल भी रख सकता हूँ, फिर भी कृष्णा कॉन्शियस प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ. हाँ मैं बूढ़ा हूँ, मैं छोटी हूँ, मैं बड़ी हूँ, मेरा डिजीज है, मेरा डिजीज नहीं है, व्हाटएवर कंडीशन, मुझे पढ़ना आता है, मुझे पढ़ना नहीं आता है, मुझे वेदस पता है, मुझे वेदस नहीं पता है, मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, स्मार्ट नहीं हूँ, जो भी है, they can practice. That is the beauty of our movement. That is why more and more people are getting connected. And the moment we say that you follow leaders, then they will say that only these people can do. I cannot do. So then they will be lost. They will be disturbed. Actually, this topic is speaking about karma kanda and karma yogi. Karma kanda is a person who is doing only work, 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 and material benefit, material benefit, material benefit. A devotee, senior devotee is teaching him how to offer the results to Krishna. So making a karma kandi a karma yogi. Do the same karma, don't get disturbed, offer it for Krishna. Even if you see, maximum of ISKCON devotees are doing karma yoga actually, to start with. Someone is liking, like we were discussing yesterday, me and Kulapriya. We are asking Radhapriti since some time to chant. She is not interested in chanting at all. Of course, she's a small kid, but I'm saying that it can happen to any elder person also. But when I'm asking that play kartal, play harmonium, mridanga at home, and we'll do kirtan and let us dance, they love it. So that is called not disturbing their mind and making Krishna conscious. Then when they are attracted through that offering to Krishna, slowly over time, they will get attracted to rest of the process also. किसी को प्रसाद पाना अच्छा लगता है, अरे भर के प्रसाद दो उनको, अच्छा अच्छा प्रसाद बना के दो, इतना दो कि वो प्यूरिफाई हो जाए. प्रभुपाद ने यही किया है. और क्या क्या आपको लग रहा है कि फिलोसफी से अट्रैक्ट हुए? वो सब बाद में हुआ. ही यूज्ड टू कुक प्रसाद, इंडियन ऑथेंटिक प्रसादम and kirtan. So they were all hippies. Mostly they liked music by default, most of them. And nobody was caring for them. Means basically no food, no shelter. So he was offering his place to sit for some hours and have prasad. And they saw this person preparing all prasad himself, cleaning all vessels himself, throwing all garbage himself, making all arrangements himself. They were so attracted by this personality. That is how they all came to Krishna consciousness. And they thought that nobody in our life did for us like this, not even our parents. So why not give our life for this person? So that is how they gave everything for Prabhupada. So we are approaching any new person, we should be very sensitive to what their skills are and should engage that in Krishna's service. And by our, as we also discussed in the beginning, not by our words, but by our actions, we should show them कि देखो भाई मेरा लाइफ ऐसा है. इसलिए हम भक्ति वृक्षा करते हैं. भक्ति वृक्षा एक्चुअली अभी मंदिर में हो रहा है. आइडियली पता है कहाँ पे होना चाहिए? ये लोगों के घरों में होना चाहिए, डिवोटिस के घर में. तो क्या होता है उससे? कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति आता है, देखता है कि भक्ति वृक्षा कहाँ पे हो रहा है, इनके घर पे हो रहा है. अरे इनके भी बच्चे हैं, ये भी स्कूल जाते हैं, ये भी ऑफिस जाते हैं, अच्छा तो मैं भी भक्ति प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ. So that brings inspiration in them. We are doing in temple because we are used to the setup, but we have to change this. We have to change. If you change to someone's house, then yes, so many people will get attracted. They will take up Krishna consciousness. So that is the discussion today. And we should be careful कि not to disturb anyone. कोई अगर इतना कर पा रहा है, ठीक है, अप्रिशिएट करो. कोई अगर थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर पा रहा है, अप्रिशिएट करो. कोई उससे ऊपर कर रहा है, अप्रिशिएट करो. Everyone will take time because they are busy in what they like to do. They are busy with their wives, husbands, kids, parents, work, some sports. They like to do something in their life. By forcing, they will only go away. By forcing, they will only go away. By leaving them, they will never come. So what you have to do, you have to have a hook. That hook is identifying their skill, what they like, and try to push them. प्रभु ये आपको अच्छा लगता है ना, आज बना है, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, मिलके पाते हैं. एक प्लेट आपका, एक प्लेट मेरा. हाँ, और एक प्लेट बच्चों के लिए लेके जाओ, वो खुश हो जाएगा, वो दूर दूर से भाग के आएगी. So maybe something like that. I am not best at it also, but yes, we should try in this. Then we are sensitive to devotees, dealings with devotees, and that is what attracts Krishna. Okay, so I stop here. Any question anyone has or any sharing? मोहन प्रभु, आपको कुछ समझ में आया?
जी प्रभु जी।
क्या समझ में आया?
माता जी हंस रही
हाँ,
जी।
क्या
जो
समझ में
अज्ञान
आया?
जो अज्ञानी व्यक्ति है, जो ज्ञानी को, जो ज्ञान आज्ञा है, ज्ञानी व्यक्ति जो है, अज्ञानी जो बोल रहे हैं उनको बोलने देना चाहिए। और क्या बोलता है जो,
हम्म।
हाँ बस ये समझ में आए।
नहीं, जो अज्ञानी है, अज्ञानी यानी कि आध्यात्मिक मायने में जो अज्ञानी है, उनको उनका कर्म करने के लिए अलाउ करना चाहिए। उसके साथ साथ उनको सिखाना चाहिए अपने
जी
उदाहरण से कि आप कैसे अपने कर्म को भी भगवान को समर्पित कर सकते हैं। ठीक है ना?
जी
आपको उनको ये नहीं कहना है कि आपको ये छोड़ना पड़ेगा, पता है, आपको ये भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा, आपको ये भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा। एक्चुअली कुछ कुछ ऐसे हैं भक्त इस्कॉन में, आते ही बोल देते हैं आप नियम फॉलो नहीं करते, आपका कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। हाँ, आप 16 माला कर रहे हैं, फिर तो क्या माना कर रहे हैं, मीन्स उनका वैसे बात ही ऐसा ही, मीन्स दे स्पीक लाइक दैट। सो दैट इज वेरी मच ऑफेंडिंग। वो इतना खराब है वो। आपको हमेशा हमें अप्रिशिएट करना है, और उन वो जो भी कर रहे हैं उनको प्रोत्साहन देना है, उनको उत्साह देना है कि अरे बहुत बढ़िया, आप एक माला कर रहे हो, कितना सही है। कितने दिन से कर रहे हैं? वो बोलेंगे मैं 1 महीना से कर रहा हूँ। वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। You have a pious family background, I see. Then they'll be more interested. Oh, nice. And why don't you try this Ekadasi 2 rounds? So then they will do 2 rounds. So they appreciate, उनको appreciate करना चाहिए. Okay, thank you, Prabhu. Any other devotees would like to ask or add? Hmm? ईशान प्रभु, चैतन्य प्रभु, मागेश्वरी माता जी, कीर्तना, करिश्मा, राज प्रभु, so many devotees, श्रीधर प्रभु, बताइए कुछ। अश्विन।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हम्म।
सॉरी आई एम राइडिंग बट सुना सब कुछ। एक चीज मेरे को ये स्ट्राइक हो रहा था, जस्ट लाइक आई वाज ट्राइंग टू कंपेयर नगर संकीर्तन जो हम करते हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ मैसेजेस भी पास होते हैं, जैसे पीपल हु आर क्वालिफाइड एंड एम्प्लॉयड है, वो लोग भी इसमें दे आर एंजॉयिंग एंड डूइंग इट व्हिच गोस टू द पब्लिक। उसके अंदर भी
हम्म।
इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है।
हम्म। पढ़ता है प्रभु, हर
आई
चीज का
डोंट ट्राई
इम्पैक्ट
वन
पड़ता है।
ट्राइंग टू रिलेट, कुछ ना कुछ रिलेट
हम्म।
करना होता है उसके अंदर, वो लग रहा था।
या सी प्रभु, व्हेन पीपल अराउंड यू नो दैट आप कुछ कर रहे हो अलग से उनसे, शायद आप उनको डिटेल नहीं पता हो, दे नो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू टेम्पल मे बी ऑन संडेज और सैटरडेज, they know that sometimes you are bringing prasad for them, you're sometimes putting tilak, some dp photos they have seen on your status that you are doing rath yatra, this that brings impact onto them कि भाई ये तो हमारे जैसा है, then they get attracted. So that is what we should, and how much they are attracted we should appreciate, and we should encourage but not force, not disturb, and tell that it is like this, so you can continue
Seeing
whatever
our
you're doing.
seeing our blissfulness, probably they might even
Yes,
change it.
yes, yes. Mm. Yes, Prabhu, you're right. Because if we set a very high goal, na, that will not be accepted by uh, that will not be accepted by normal in general people who are into karma kandi. So we should set a high goal for ourselves. But when it comes to taking care of others, we should come to a position where they can relate to our life. Their life and our life should have something in common. If it is not in common, na, they will there is difference only, then they will not be attracted.
Right.
Correct. Thank you, Prabhu. Yeah, others? Yeah.
प्रभु जी, एक चीज पूछनी थी। जैसे कि न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज हम लोग अभी रह रहे हैं, तो जो लोग इन लॉज के पास नहीं रहते, हाउ कैन वी मेक देम रियलाइज दैट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग? वह मतलब उनको कैसे हम लोग समझाएंगे? वो तो हमेशा दूर रहे। हम अगर अच्छा करके उनको दिखाना भी चाहते हैं, वो दिखा नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो दूर रह रहे हैं। बट हम चाहते हैं कि वो भी इस मूवमेंट में आए, कृष्ण का। तो हाउ इन दैट केस हाउ वी कैन अचीव दैट गोल by putting ourselves as a example in that.
Yeah, very good question. See, first of all, we should understand that if someone is staying far, अगर कोई दूर है तो how they will be attracted. It is not about that they start chanting or they start coming to temple. First of all, they should feel that there is a difference in us happening. Now, earlier you had a behavioral template. They knew about you. You are like this. You are angry, or you are short-tempered, or you are, very rigid, unclean, lazy, something. Now they see there is a change happening. At that change, even they can feel over phone also, or whenever you go once in a while. So when they see that change, they will relate that change to your practices. So internally, they will appreciate first. Then when we go, we take some things, only spiritual articles for them, some gift which they can relate to. Hmm? Not like a big set of Bhagavatam, मैं आपके लिए भागवतम लेके आया आप पढ़ेंगे. Not like that. Something which they can relate to, some pressure, something. And there will be a hook for them that to start with something, to see something, you know, to watch something, a quote a day if they are good in that. If they read magazines, some magazine we give them while we come back, small magazines. If they don't like to read, then some small thing we sit together and show some video to them, which they will appreciate. See, it has to be a conscious effort. Okay, it has to be a conscious effort through when we meet them or through someone in the family. But something which they can take also baby step, not depending on their age. The new generation people maybe take it faster. Old people are very slow in technology. So depending on that, we have to see. It is not a universal solution, but yeah. First is through our behavior. They should appreciate. If they appreciate only, then whatever we sow and give only, they will take. If our behavior have not changed, then there is no question of their acceptance. Whatever we do also. Even if we say also, ठीक है यार. Because they don't see the transformation in us. No? So why they will appreciate? So they don't see us every day. Even actually, I will tell you that it is good that if we are not transformed inside, it is good that they are not seeing us. Else they will tell every day, you are going every day to temple, you are doing all these things, but still you are the same person. So better we are away in that case. If the real transformation is happening in our behavior, it is good that if we are close. So they see that and they ask. Else it is better that we are away. Because our transformation is only like we are putting tilak, going every time, participating in everything, whatever is asked for, and chanting, but there is no transformation in our behavior. ठीक है. और कृष्णा को प्रे करो अगर आप चाहते हो. और अगर आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो चुका है, आपको लग रहा है, तो उनको भी लगना चाहिए. अगर उनको नहीं फील हो रहा है, देन आपको भी एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए कि मुझे लग रहा है लेकिन वो गलत है, नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है. थैंक यू माता जी फॉर आस्किंग. अदर्स.
Hare Krishna.
वेयर इज इट? हु इज आस्किंग? Nobody asked. Okay. Fine. Any other questions anyone has? No question. I am clear. Chalo. Thank you, Ishana Prabhu and Ashin Prabhu. Okay, so today the last day for submission of quiz. I hope 20 participants, yes, all would have done. So we'll close it and we'll share it with the certificates. Purushottam month is going to end. I heard Maharaj is coming on Sunday. I have to check which Maharaj. I'll populate that message. if we have some association, we'll see. Yeah. Yesterday you would have seen the message that 1st July we have seen Prabhupada disciple, His Grace Kratudas Maharaj Prabhu left his body. He was a Grihastha, but he was a initiating spiritual master in ISKCON. And yeah, we can see his wife standing next to him, saying nobody should cry while he is leaving. Everyone should do kirtan, strong kirtan, happily. So I don't. You can watch in YouTube if you want. I can share with you. But yeah, so devotee approaching death is a blissful situation. Okay, so thank you all. Pray for Maharaj spiritual journey towards Srila Prabhupada's next instruction to be followed for him. And I wish you all Krishna conscious future. Thank you all. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Yeah, thank you all for joining. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat Pranam.